Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve these two questions, this and this, using basic concepts of exponents. To solve these questions, you need the basic knowledge of exponents. So I have made a video on basic concepts of exponents, and please do watch my video. I have given the link in the description box. We know the prime factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3, which we can write in the form of 3 raised to power 3. So here I will write 3 into 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by n plus 1, plus 9 is equal to 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 raised to power 2. So I can write 3 raised to power 2 into 3n minus 1 divided by 8 multiply by 3 raised to power 3n minus 5 into 27. I can write this 3 raised to power 3 n. Next I will apply this formula that a raised to power n into m is equal to n m. So here I will apply this formula. So it will become 3 into 3 raised to power 3n plus 3, correct, plus 3 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 3n minus 1 divided by 8 into 3 raised to power 3n minus 5 into 3 raised to power 3n. Next we'll combine these two, means a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to m plus n. Now I am going to use this formula. So it will become 3 raised to power 3n plus here 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus plus 3 raised to power 3n and 2 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 8 into 3 raised to power 3n minus 5 into 3 raised to power 3n, which will become equal to 3 raised to power 3n into 3 raised to power 4 plus this will become 1. So I can write this as 3 raised to power 3n into 3 raised to power 1 divided by 8 into 3 raised to power 3n minus 5 into 3 raised to power 3n. So next step will be, I will take this, because here 3n, here also 3n, I can take it out. This is common as. So I will left with 3 raised to power 4 plus 3. And here same 3n is common in both. So I can take this 3n out. I will left with 8 minus 5. So this will get cancelled with this. So I will get 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 divided by 8 minus 5, which is equal to 3. So here what will I do? Again I can take this 3 common. 3 into 3 raised to power 3. I will left plus 1 divided by 3. This will get cancelled. So 3 into 3 into 3 is 27 plus 1. My answer is 28. Now let's solve second question. My next question is this. Here same, first I will apply this formula that a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, which is equal to a raised to power m minus n. Here I am going to apply that formula, which this will become x raised to power a minus b, whole raised to power a square plus ab plus b square, into, same here also I will apply this formula. It will become x raised to power b minus c, whole raised to power b square plus bc plus c square, into, here same I will apply this formula. This will become x raised to power c minus a, not divided by, whole raised to power c square plus ca plus a square. So next I am going to apply this formula now. This a raised to power m raised to power n is always equal to a raised to power m n. So here next I will apply this formula. So it will become like x raised to power a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Here I applied this formula. Similarly here also I will apply this formula. It will become multiply by x raised to power b minus c multiply by b square plus bc plus c square. So similarly here also I will apply this formula and it will become x raised to power c minus a whole power c square plus ca plus a square. So next I am going to multiply this and this. So it will become equal to x raised to power, I will multiply this a with whole thing, it will become a cube, then a with this ab, it will become a square b plus a with b square, it will become a b square minus b with a square ba square minus ab square, next b with this minus b cube multiply by, here also I will multiply this b minus c with this b square plus bc plus c square. So I will get here x raised to power b cube b square c b c square and this. Now I will multiply this minus c with b square, I will get minus cb square minus bc square and minus c cube multiply by this thing. So multiply, it's not coming here, so I am writing here x raised to power, first I will multiply this c with, I will get c cube, then c square a plus ca square, then a minus a with minus ac square, then minus a square c and then this a with this, so it will become minus a cube. So here all these are multiplication sign, this and that. So here also I am going to use this formula, this exponential rule, where a raised to power m into a raised to power n into a raised to power l always equal to, we have to add all these power m plus n plus l. So here it will become like so here see what all things we can cancel out, a square b and this is negative a square b, so I can cut this, and here ab square and this is ab square, this can this. Similarly here also b square c will get cancelled with this and bc square will get cancelled with this, and c here c raised to power 2a will get cancelled with this and this will get cancelled with this. So we are left with x raised to power a cube minus b cube multiply x raised to power b cube minus c cube multiplied x raised to power c cube minus a cube. So now I will apply this formula. I will get, this will become x raised to power a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. So it will become, I can cancel this a cube with this negative a cube, this is negative v cube and this is b and this is negative c cube and this is positive. So I can get, so here after doing this thing I will get 0. So we know here anything raised to power 0 always equal to 1, means x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So simplified form of this full expression is equal to 1. This is my answer. Thank you everyone for watching my video.